Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started, good luck. Which AWS service can manage API access in B2B Data Interchange? AWS AppSync, AWS CloudFront, AWS Global Accelerator, AWS API Gateway. AWS API Gateway manages, monitors, and secures APIs in B2B Data Interchange, controlling how partners access and use shared data services. In AWS B2B Data Interchange, what does OFTP stand for? Optimized File Transfer Protocol, Open File Transfer Program, Online File Transmission Process, ODET File Transfer Protocol. OFTP in AWS B2B Data Interchange stands for ODET File Transfer Protocol, commonly used in the European automotive industry for B2B file exchanges. Which AWS service can help in data masking for sensitive B2B data? AWS Document DB, AWS Redshift, AWS Glue Data Brew, AWS Neptune. AWS Glue Data Brew can perform data masking, obscuring sensitive information in B2B data exchanges to maintain privacy and compliance. What is the advantage of using AWS Private Link in B2B Data Interchange? Real-time data analysis, private connectivity to AWS services, faster data processing, automatic data backups. AWS Private Link provides private connectivity to AWS services without exposing data to the public internet, enhancing security in B2B data interchange. Which AWS service can validate EDI documents in B2B data interchange? AWS Lambda, AWS Fargate, AWS Recognition, AWS SageMaker. AWS Lambda functions can be used to validate EDI documents in real time, ensuring they meet the required standards before B2B data exchange. What is the benefit of using AWS DataSync in B2B data interchange? Encrypts data in transit, converts data formats, schedules data backups, accelerates data transfer between locations. AWS DataSync accelerates data transfer between on-premises storage and AWS, or between AWS storage services, speeding up large B2B data exchanges. What role does AWS Certificate Manager play in B2B data interchange? Validates EDI documents, encrypts data at rest, provides SSL/TLS certificates, schedules data transfers. AWS Certificate Manager provides SSL/TLS certificates for securing web services and APIs in B2B data interchange, ensuring encrypted communications. What is the role of AWS Control Tower in B2B data interchange? Ensures governance across multiple accounts, encrypts EDI messages, schedules data transfers, translates data formats. AWS Control Tower ensures consistent governance across multiple AWS accounts used in B2B data interchange, maintaining security and compliance standards. In AWS B2B Data Interchange, what does SFTP stand for? Simple File Transfer Program. SSH File Transfer Protocol. Secure File Transfer Process. Standard File Transmission Protocol. SFTP in AWS B2B Data Interchange stands for SSH File Transfer Protocol, a secure protocol for transferring files between business partners. What role does AWS Direct Connect play in B2B Data Interchange? Handles data format conversion. Schedules data transfers. Provides dedicated network connection. Manages data encryption. AWS Direct Connect offers a dedicated network connection between a company's network and AWS, ensuring secure and low-latency B2B data exchanges. In AWS B2B Data Interchange, what is the purpose of using VAN? To translate data formats. To route EDI transactions between trading partners. To encrypt data at rest. To compress large files. A value-added network in AWS B2B Data Interchange is used to route EDI transactions securely between different trading partners. Which AWS service can handle XML-based B2B transactions? AWS SageMaker. AWS Fargate. AWS Recognition. AWS Lambda. AWS Lambda can efficiently handle XML-based B2B transactions, parsing, validating, and transforming XML documents in real time. Which AWS service can automate B2B data exchange workflows? AWS EKS. AWS ECS. AWS Batch. AWS Step Functions. AWS Step Functions can automate complex B2B data exchange workflows, coordinating multiple AWS services for seamless data processing and transfer. What is the role of AWS IAM in B2B data interchange? Encrypts data in transit. Manages access and permissions. Schedules data transfers. Converts data formats. AWS Identity and Access Management manages access and permissions in B2B data interchange, ensuring that only authorized partners can access specific data. What is the primary purpose of AWS B2B data interchange services? To offer data backup solutions. To facilitate secure and standardized data exchange between business partners. To enhance internal data processing capabilities. To provide cloud storage for large datasets. AWS B2B data interchange services are designed to enable secure, efficient, and standardized data exchange between different business entities, ensuring smooth collaboration and transaction processes. Which AWS service can help in real-time translation of B2B data formats? AWS Lambda. AWS Batch. AWS Fargate. AWS ECS. AWS Lambda can perform real-time translation of B2B data formats, converting between EDI, XML, JSON, and other standards as needed. Which AWS service can help in discovering relevant datasets for B2B exchange? AWS Data Catalog. AWS QuickSight, AWS Athena, AWS Lake Formation. AWS Data Catalog, part of AWS Glue, helps in discovering and cataloging relevant datasets for B2B Exchange, making them easily searchable. What is the advantage of using AWS EventBridge in B2B Data Interchange? Schedules file transfers. Enables event-driven architectures. Validates XML schemas. Encrypts sensitive data. AWS EventBridge enables event-driven architectures in B2B data interchange, allowing systems to automatically react to events like new data availability or transfer completion. In AWS B2B Data Interchange, what does EBXML stand for? External Business XML. Enhanced Binary XML. Electronic Business Using XML. Enterprise Backend XML. EBXML in AWS B2B Data Interchange stands for Electronic Business Using XML, a suite of standards for B2B transactions using XML. Which AWS service can handle high-volume EDI transactions in B2B Data Interchange? AWS Elastic AKE, AWS RDS, AWS MQ, AWS DynamoDB. AWS MQ, a managed message broker service, can handle high-volume EDI transactions efficiently in B2B data interchange scenarios. In AWS B2B Data Interchange, what does AS2 stand for? Advanced Security System. Automated Sharing Service. Applicability Statement 2. Amazon Simple Storage. AS2 in AWS B2B Data Interchange refers to Applicability Statement 2, a protocol for securely exchanging EDI or other data over the Internet. What is the advantage of using AWS CloudTrail in B2B Data Interchange? Compresses large files. Provides an audit trail of API activities. Translates data formats. Encrypts data at rest. AWS CloudTrail provides a detailed audit trail of API activities in B2B Data Interchange, helping in compliance and troubleshooting. In AWS B2B Data Interchange, what is the purpose of using AWS WAF? To anonymize sensitive data. To translate EDI formats. To protect web APIs from attacks. To schedule data transfers. AWS Web Application Firewall protects web APIs used in B2B data interchange from common web exploits, ensuring secure data exchange. In AWS B2B Data Interchange, what is the purpose of using S3 Object Lock? To anonymize data. To index data. To prevent data modification. To compress data. S3 Object Lock in B2B Data Interchange is used to prevent data modification or deletion, ensuring data integrity and compliance in B2B transactions. Which AWS service can handle edifact messages in B2B Data Interchange? AWS IoT Core. AWS MQ. AWS Kinesis. AWS SQS. AWS MQ can handle artifact messages, a global EDI standard used in B2B data interchange. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.